cannot save Dorothy. Only if you explain trigonometry to me.
Okay!
Angles of elevation and depression, law of sine and cosine, bearings, and last but not the least, the real-life applications of these trigonometry lessons we have learned from our trigonometry class this sophomore year, school year 2014 to 2015. Angles of elevation are angles above the horizontal. Horizontal meaning eye level of the person looking up to the top of a building. Maybe a bird or even Superman. While angle of depression are angles below the horizontal. So if the guy is on top of a building, it means below his eye level going down to maybe the base of another building or a parking lot with cars.
Angles of elevation and depression can be used in many different things, like when pilots have to land their plane. Pilots can use angles of elevation and depression by looking for the distance of the runway to the plane so they know when to start descending it.
You can also use angles of elevation and depression to save lives, like finding the distance of the lifeguard stand to how far someone drowning is. If you find the distance, you will be able to know if you should swim or bring a boat to save the person.
Law of sine is when you're looking for an angle or side given two sides and an angle, or two angles and one side. The law of sine can only be used in a side angle side triangle or an angle side angle triangle. The formula is A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. For example, if there's a leaning building and you need a ladder to save someone on the 5th floor from the window, you can get the ladder length of the window to where you're standing, so you know the length of the ladder you need to use.
The law of cosines is the law wherein it can solve triangles if all angles are missing. This law can be used to find sides as well. The formulas used in the law of cosines are these. Let's say we are given a triangle where all sides are given. To find the missing angles, we can solve for them using the law of cosines.
Did you know that seafarers can use bearings to find distances? For example, if a seafarer passes a buoy, the seafarer passes that and goes a certain distance and suddenly changes direction. The seafarer will not know his distance to the buoy without using bearings.
Bearings can also be used to find the distance between celestial stars.
That's too much! Oh, can't take it anymore! Oh no!
Dorothy! We did it!
Oh man, your trigonometry is too good.
Wow!